Hi guys, in this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you how you can remove Facebook pixel from Shopify. Now, the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your own Shopify store. That's the first step, okay? Log into the store where you want to remove the pixel. Now, for example, this is the dashboard of my Shopify store. I want to remove Facebook pixel from the Shopify store. Now, what you guys need to do, okay? Now, you want to click here where it says Facebook. Oh, I'm sorry. You want to click here where it says settings at the very bottom left. And then you want to click on apps and sales channels. And after that, you want to click here where it says Facebook and Instagram. Okay. All right. Now what you guys need to do, you want to click on here where it says open sales channels. Okay. Open sales channel. And after you click on here, what you guys need to do next, after you click on open sales channel, you want to then click, you want to click on get started. All right, now I'm going to connect everything and I'm going to show you exactly how you can disconnect Facebook pixel. Okay, that's what I'm going to do right now. So give me just a few seconds. All right, now I'm going to connect every single thing, like the data sharing, connect Facebook account, continue to create a business. All right, now what you guys need to do, I just created this Facebook account a few minutes ago. Now what you guys need to do, you want to click here where it says data sharing. Okay, here, data sharing, and you want to scroll down and you will see their Facebook pixel. You want to toggle it off. Okay, toggle it off, and you can also disconnect your Facebook account by clicking here. Click on Facebook account, click on disconnect. Okay, again, after you disconnect the Facebook account, you can then like business assets, you can remove it. Like click on business assets, and then you will find something like here, remove. When I first linked my Facebook, I was able to like add here the Facebook pixel, but now it's not allowing me. Now anyway, here you just need to click here, it says business assets, and if there is something that you can toggle off, toggle it off. Okay, so that it's not trackable anymore. Now the most important thing is going to click on data sharing, and then you want to toggle off pixel. That's exactly how you can remove Facebook pixel from your Shopify store. Click just on data sharing and click on pixel. That's exactly, and toggle off the pixel. That's exactly how you can remove it. So hopefully this video